Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw Sonic from the new Sonic the Hedgehog movie. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin in the middle of our paper, and we're going to start with his eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to kind of curl down, and then it's going to go up like this. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and I'm just going to kind of curve down and then go up like this. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down, it's going to go over, and then it's going to kind of curve up, and it's going to curl in just a little bit. Then same thing here. I'm just going to go down, and then I'm just going to curve out, and then I'm just going to kind of curve around when I come up. Now, right here, touching this eye, I'm going to draw a little oval shape. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to curve up right to there. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out. It's going to come down, and then it's going to curve up, and I'm going to run right to this eye here. Now, starting here above the eye, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down like this, and then I'll do the same thing over here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up here, and then I want to do the exact same thing on this side to finish off his head. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and then I'm going to come back in like this. Then I'm going to go up and then down like this, just to make his ears. And then right here, I'm going to draw a big line that's just going to kind of curve up and then down for the top of his head. Now, right in here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, down, and over just to make like a triangle shape. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here, just go up, down, and then over, just to kind of make that triangle shape for the inside of his ears. Now, for his arms, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go out. I'm going to curve down, and then I'm going to bring it right to here. And then I want to do the same thing over here. Just go out, kind of curve down, and then come right there underneath his face. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down to here. And then I'm going to make another one that just curves down right to there. Now for his hands, I'm going to start right here, and you want to make kind of like a little circle shape right around the end of each arm. That's going to be the start of his little glove that he wears. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and down. And then I'm going to start inside and draw another one. And then I'm going to draw one more here, and I'm just going to curve to here. Then I'm going to make a little curved line like this. And then I'm going to draw a little line right inside of it. So then same thing here, draw a line that goes up and down. Make another one that curves up and down, and then one more. So you make 3 of them all together. I'm going to make a little curved line here. And then I'm just going to draw a little line and then connect these. Now for his legs. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down, and then it's going to curve up like this. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes down a little bit farther, and then I'm going to make another line that goes down here. It's going to look like one leg is kind of moving backwards and the other one's going forward. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes up and down, or up and over, I should say. And then I'm going to make a big curved line like this, and then another curved line over here for the top of the shoe. Then I'm going to draw a line that curves up to his body, and then I'll add another smaller one right here for the bottom of his shoe. And then right here I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then we're just going to curve up to here. And then I'm just going to make two little lines for a stripe. And then I'm going to make one more curved line right there for the bottom of his shoe. Now, starting over here, I'm going to draw a little curved line like this for the top of his shoe. And then I'm going to start here and make another bigger curved line for the side. And then this part's a little tricky, so I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve to here. Then I'm going to make a big line that's going to kind of curve up, and then I'm going to go out and then come in. And then I want to take this line and just kind of connect it over here. Now, on the shoe, on the inside, I'm just going to redraw this shape. So I'm just going to go right around the inside of it. I don't want to touch the edge. I'm just going to kind of draw the sole of the shoe. And then, just to keep it simple, we're just going to add a few little lines going across. And then I'm just going to make two little lines that come down here for some stripes. Now, for the inside of his eyes, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to curve up like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here, down and then curve up. I'm going to make a line that does the same thing in each one. And then I'm going to leave a little bit white when I color the rest of this in. So I'm going to color this in and then just leave a little bit white. Now, just for a few details on him, I'm going to make kind of like a little circular shape on his stomach right there. And then I'm going to make a line that kind of goes out and then comes in, and then I'm going to go out and come in one more time. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Go out and come in, out, and then come back in, just for some little details on the side. And now Sonic has all of these different little kind of spikes and needles kind of coming out of him, but I'm going to draw those in when I add all the coloring. Now the last thing we can do is I'm just going to draw a little curved line right here, right above his nose. And there you go. There is your drawing of Sonic from the new Sonic the Hedgehog movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.